There's a reason you feel the way you feel. Low energy, brain fog, feeling like your body is just not keeping up the way it used to. That is not just getting older, and it is not something to ignore. At the center of how your body produces energy, repairs itself, and stays resilient is something called NAD. Every cell in your body depends on it. When NAD levels start to drop, which can happen with stress, illness, toxic burden, or simply over time, the body begins to slow down at a deeper level. Energy production becomes less efficient. The brain does not stay as sharp, recovery takes longer, and the body becomes more sensitive to stress. This is not about one symptom. It is about how well your body is able to function as a whole. NAD IV therapy works by helping restore what the body is already designed to use. It supports energy production inside your cells, helps the brain function more clearly, and plays a role in how the body repairs and responds to stress and inflammation. When it is delivered through an IV, it can reach higher levels in the body more directly, especially in people who are depleted or undergoing stress. At New Legacy Natural Medicine, we do not look at NAD as a quick fix. It is part of a deeper, more intentional strategy. Whether someone is dealing with fatigue, brain fog, recovering from illness, or just feels like their body's not responding the way it used to, the focus stays the same. Restore energy at a cellular level, support the brain and nervous system, and help the body regain its ability to repair and adapt. Because when energy improves, everything else starts to shift. I'm Dr. Rimba co-founder of New Legacy Natural Medicine. And if you've been feeling like your body's running on empty and want to understand what may be behind it, we put together a guide that walks you through it. If you're ready to understand what your body actually needs and start rebuilding your energy from within, you can click the link below to download your copy.